Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, May 25th, 2021. I hope you're having a wonderful morning, certainly a cloudy one, as warm air is starting to surge into the region. Still be pretty cool out there, though, for this time of year. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 50s over the interior, upper 50s along the coast, a few lower 60s here and there in some of our urban areas. Certainly cloudy throughout the region with that southerly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Visibility, though, is around 10 miles, so that's certainly good news. We take a look at our wind map. You can see high pressure out here in the Atlantic, keeping everything dry yet cloudy, as warm air is surging northward in the mid-levels. Now, at the lower levels, you can see the winds very clearly here coming in from the south, right? You're coming in from the southeast to the south. So this is coming in from the Atlantic Ocean and then rotating out over New England. And take a look at the 850 millibar temperatures. This is why I love this website so much, earth.newschool.net, N-U-L-L, school.net. You can see at 850 millibars, winds are coming in from the west, and from 500 millibars, they're coming in from the west as well. So basically what this tells us is that the winds from these at the surface all the way up to the upper levels are veering with height, which means that warm air is on the way. On our surface map, you can see our high pressure system here at the surface over the Atlantic, keeping that wedge in place, but it's going to be giving way as this warm front approaches. Now, this warm front maybe produces an isolated shower. That is about it. The main event is with this cold front for tomorrow that's going to be moving through and producing the threat for scattered showers and maybe an isolated severe thunderstorm. Then we have this cold front out here. Well, that's going to be a pain in the neck for Friday. When you take a look at the radar, not much going on, like I said, high and dry. And on the latest visible satellite picture as the sun is rising, you can see over Connecticut and Long Island, you have more sunshine, but clouds are on the way. And we're also seeing, as that warm air is invading, more overcast cloud cover back here over central Pennsylvania and the southern mid-Atlantic. So all of this is going to be moving towards our neck of the woods. Again, can't rule out an isolated shower. Now, on the infrared satellite picture, we zoom out a bit. You can see that warm air is pushing northward. There's our warm front boundary right about there. Here's our cold front boundary for tomorrow, producing that threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And way out here over the west coast, this is going to be a nice little trough that's going to be marching its way through the northern tier of the country and bringing the potential for widespread rainfall Friday afternoon and evening, maybe a little bit into Saturday morning as well. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Scattered to broken cloud cover is expected throughout the region. A little bit warmer with high temperatures in the mid 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s away from the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, that warm front lifts north. I can't rule out a little bit of fog being an issue. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior and along the immediate coast, maybe some upper 60s in your urban areas. We're going to have to watch out for some of that dense fog. Then in the afternoon, our cold front will approach, and some of these thunderstorms may be severe. Now, the way that they'll be severe is what we call downburst wind gusts. That's when moisture is lifted up in the atmosphere and slams to the surface like a rock. So basically, you get these isolated thunderstorms capable of very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, small hail, and wind gusts over 60 miles per hour. Keyword here is isolated. Probably won't even be enough to issue a watch for this, but just keep it in the back of your mind that some of these thunderstorms could pack a little bit of a punch. Ahead of these thunderstorms, it is going to be toasty, especially away from the coast. High temperatures tomorrow range from the mid 70s to lower 80s on Long Island, lower to mid 80s on the immediate shore everywhere else, mid 80s to lower 90s, especially in the Delaware River Valley for all locations away from the immediate coast. So again, it's going to be warm and it's also going to be a bit more humid as well. So definitely just keep that in the back of your mind. Now, that cold front clears out, and then we get to Thursday. Thursday is going to be another warm day, but the humidity will be significantly reduced. So your low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s over the interior, mid 60s to lower 70s along the coast in your urban areas as this cold front is clearing through. In the afternoon, the humidity drops, but the temperatures remain warm, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 80s, possibly even a few lower 90s in some urban areas around Philadelphia for highs. But it'll be dry. By Friday, not so much. Friday morning, clouds will increase. Look for low temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s throughout the region. In the afternoon, periods of rain develop as this low pressure system marches its way through, and that will continue on through the evening hours. Temperatures are not going to be rising all that much, unfortunately, because of the fact that you're going to have a stiff easterly wind. So basically what you see for your low temperatures is essentially what you're going to get for your high temperatures, with temperatures ranging from the mid-50s to mid-60s. By the time we get to Saturday morning, I think a lot of this rainfall is going to be cleared out. I think this might be a little bit overdone here. So I'm keeping isolated shower threats in the morning, followed by clearing skies from north to south in the afternoon. Temperatures on Saturday range from the lower to mid 40s over the interior, upper 40s to mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid 50s to lower 60s. So it's going to be a very cool day. And actually the Memorial Day weekend, remains pretty cool as well. High pressure is going to be building in on Sunday and on Memorial Day Monday, providing plenty of sunshine, that's for sure. But it is going to be chilly. We're talking about low temperatures over the interior in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Along the coast, mid 40s to lower 50s. High temperatures over the interior, lower to mid 60s. Along the coast, mid 60s to lower 70s. Mid 70s possible in the Delaware River Valley as well. Then on Tuesday, as we all get back to work, another low trough passes on through with the threat for some isolated to widely scattered showers. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 60s over the interior, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.